I don't want to.
Yeah, do it.
I don't want to do it.
Come on.
Right,
Sorry. Hey, Bella, you don't want to?
I'm taking a video.
We can hold the video and you can hammer.
Whoa. There you go, my bad.
Ow.
Okay?
You alright?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. 1, 2, ready? 1, 2.
No, you have to do it this side, honey.
Stand on this side.
Alright, we're gonna let it warm up a little
Max, do you
more.
want me to get more cold?
We probably don't need any more coal today.
Yeah, we're good on the cold. We can let that one.
Oh.
Isabel. Relax, Daddy. Leave it alone.
What happened?
This one's yours, I think.
Okay.
Going still, I think.
Oh.
Sorry.
Can I do the video now?
You're gonna hammer, honey. You just got.
I want to hammer.
You gonna hammer or no? Yes, please.
No!
Daddy, please hammer.
Why don't you want to
I
hammer?
will, finally.
Okay.
You gonna hammer, Addie?
She's gonna
Not
do.
that, not that.
It's honey.
Not
Honey, all you have to do is
Wait,
you're very.
Well,
Back off.
let it cool down a little bit, okay?
Okay, give her the hammer, Max.
I wanna get this on film. My turn. Good job, Ad.
There you go. Alright, I'm gonna flip it. Alright.
Nothing to it.
Excellent.
Very good.
Well done. Bella, are you,
Whoa.
Bella, you gonna give it a shot? Yes or no?
Alright.
Okay, Bella wants to give it a shot.
Alright.
Oh, Mama, the boys are sweating even though they
Oh, I
aren't out
know.
here.
Here's Bella's turn. Oh, look at you. I heard you.
Hey, Bella, let's...
Awesome.
It's
Well
a lot
done.
easier
What
if,
was hard about it? Come here.
Bella, it's a lot easier if...
Too heavy?
Bella, it's a lot easier when it's a lot hotter.
Yeah.
Is that?
Now, the hotter it gets up to a point, it's more like Play-Doh than it is iron.
A lot. Well, really hot Play-Doh.
Do you like Max's nose? Have you been picking your nose?
I'm gonna call him Cinderella.
Pinocchio?
Cinderfella.
Look at the back of his neck.
Cinderfella. Cinderfella.
I'm not. I don't
Isabella.
want any pictures of you anymore.